Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make my go-to tofu and pork dish. Here are the ingredients: parsley flakes, tofu, pork, paprika, garlic powder and black pepper, oyster sauce, onion and garlic, green scallions, canola oil. First, heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in a pan. When it is hot enough, fry 1 block of sliced tofu until golden brown. Then set aside. Using the same pan, fry 2 pounds of sliced pork belly. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on low-medium heat. Stir occasionally. After 20 minutes, set the pork belly aside and remove any excess oil, placing it in a small bowl. In the same pan, sauté 10 minced garlic cloves and 1 chopped medium onion until fragrant. Return the fried pork belly to the pan. And tofu. Sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes optional. Stir well. Add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and mix. If desired, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and pour 1/4 cup of water into the oyster sauce bowl to dilute any remaining sauce, then add it to the pan. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. Cover the pan and cook for an additional 15 minutes to allow the tofu and pork to absorb the juices and spices. After 15 minutes, add 4 chopped green scallions. Then the dish is ready to serve. Enjoy! Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notification. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Stay updated by following all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.